Another segment, yes. Today we're doing another Bob Marley song, Three Little Birds. Yes, using key of A, organ. So key of A, three chords, A, D, and E. Three chords we'll be using. So I'll teach you how to bubble, how to shuffle. Just three chords, three straight chords. Yeah. So I'm using an organ tune. So listen. That's A, D, back to A, 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 D. All these major chords. Back to A. I'm going E now. Back to A. D. A. That's E. And E, D. Back to A. Okay, so it's A. I did the melody. D. Back to A. Yeah. It's A. D. Back to A. Yeah. So it's A. It's A. A chord. D. Back to A. And then A. E. E. Back to A. Yeah, very simple chords, you know. A, D, E, back to A, D, back to A, E, D, back to A. Yeah, simple as that. Yeah, man, let's keep practicing. Yeah, man, you'll be alright.